Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access and preserving the current state. First, log in as admin and export a config backup. This protects you if changes fail. Next, install or update the Vu Quiz Firewall software because an outdated build can break rule processing. Then, enable system logging and remote syslog so you capture events while you work. Do this now, don't delay, because these steps let you safely test rules and roll back quickly if you need to. Once done with prep, you construct the core rule set. Define zones and attach interfaces so traffic flows are explicit. Then add rules in priority order. Place specific allow rules above broader denies and include source, destination, protocol, and port numbers to avoid accidental openings. Configure NAT for services exposed to WAN and apply application-level policies for quiz servers. After that, run staged tests while watching debug logs. This shows you whether rules behave as intended and where to tweak timeout. You finish by committing changes and verifying system behavior. Apply the new policy during a low-traffic window, then run functional tests, login flows, quiz loading, submission, and grading. Monitor logs and metrics for latency spikes or dropped packets so you can validate performance. If something breaks, first disable the last rule set or revert to your saved backup. This isolates the problem quickly. A key troubleshooting tip: use the firewall's packet trace tool to see why a connection was dropped, then adjust the matching fields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.